We are here backstage in Mercedes-Benz Fashion Week Swim Edition with designer Lisa Vogel for Luxe. Tell us about today's collection.
Today's collection is all about nature meeting luxury and with a very decadent boho chic vibe. And you'll see a lot of interesting pieces like convertible pieces that can be worn different ways. They go from day to night and you get more than one use out of your swimsuit.
I'm a big fan and I love the style. It's like bohemian but still luxury. How do you pull that off?
It's all about, I grew up in the swimwear industry, so it's really all about the little tricks that I've grown up with and know about making a woman look good in a swimsuit, all rolled into one collection.
Are you excited to be here in Miami, New York? What's your favorite place to be?
My favorite place to be. I enjoy travel in general, so I enjoy anywhere where I get to go. I love New York, I love Miami, I love Argentina and California.
We're glad.
Yes.
And tell me a little bit about where did you get the inspiration? Do you try to follow trends that are coming, colors coming, or do you put out what you envision?
Well, I think that my Luxe customer, first of all, she's a woman that loves her jewelry. So she loves wearing jewelry, and it's all about she doesn't have to wear her good stuff to the pool or beach. So the jewelry's built in for her, and it's all chlorine resistant and heat resistant and saltwater resistant, so she can look chic and fabulous at the pool or beach.
And about the accessories, how hard was it to pick the accessories for this show?
Well, lucky for me, I have celebrity stylist Lindsay Albanese helping, and she did a fantastic job helping me put together all of the looks for the show.
So thank you very much for talking with us, and it's a pleasure meeting you.
Thank you so much. Nice meeting you.
Thank you. Muchas gracias.